So a lot of you guys know I grew up in New Jersey. One of the things that we absolutely loved is Philly cheesesteaks. So today, after a hard day's work, we're gonna have maybe some fries of some kind and Philly cheesesteaks, and I'll show you how.
I thought, let's make some fries. So I bought some fries. These are gonna go on soft hoagie rolls. Some people will fight tooth and nail and say it's hard hoagie rolls. Nope, sorry, it's the soft ones. Provolone, that's the cheese. Don't use any other cheese. Provolone, that's the one. And the meat, right? You can buy steakums or whatever. I am a sucker for this gyro meat. I think it's lamb, but oh my gosh, is it good. Super good. No cheesesteak is complete, of course, without green peppers. And I started cutting the onions as well. If you wash your onion, you're gonna cry less too. Word to the wise.
This egg is stranger. Ooh, yellow.
Peppers and onions are completely optional, but are we going to add them? Heck yeah, we are. By the way, these are really low heat because that's steakums or whatever you tend to cook. We're going to do gyro meat. Those cook very, very quickly. So are we going to throw these in? Heck yeah, we are. I'm going to cook this down until the onions are pretty much translucent. We get a little bit of char on those peppers. So good. Like pepper. Too good. Boy, that smell too, I tell you. That's beautiful. Ooh, so good looking. If you salt the onions now, they're gonna sweat. It's called sweating the onions. And it's gonna let some of the moisture out, dry them up a little bit. Ooh, these are looking so good. I'm gonna take these off the pan now. Ooh. Oh, and that smell. So these don't take very long to cook. They're actually already cooked. And we're just gonna heat them up, char them a little bit, put some provolone on them. Yeah, these don't take long to cook. Sure.
None the first time I wanted to pick one up. And then this one was.
So the provolone melts under this little steamer that we've created very, very quickly. So now, all it is, putting some of this deliciousness right in the middle. Oh, so good, so good. I do the peppers and onions on the side because my son doesn't like peppers and onions, or mushrooms, or the list goes on.